It's me again, just here to say this is my second video now. Yeah, so Dead Island, I do have guns with a limit ammo and I know how to duplicate it. It doesn't take any rifles or anything. It's a new one and it's pretty good. So yeah, Dead Island, brilliant game. If you've just got it and you want to start, I would say you'd pick Pruna, and if you want to add me, which is GUGANATOR _ I'll put it in the description below. So if I write space equals _ that means like a line under the thingy. So anyway, yeah, Dead Island is a brilliant game where you get the characters and it's just so fun. So if you want a gun and just zoom for the campaign like I did, that's fine. I got it off one of my friends. I can do videos with my friends. So yeah, I'm going to be doing another video later with my brother, who's probably out there somewhere doing something. And so yeah, Dead Island is definitely a game I'm going to be recording. You can put any comment on it. You don't really care. If you want me, I've got Lone Survivor, which is apparently a really good horror game, but I'm only going to record it if you guys want. So if you give me feedback on this video, I'll be happy about that. So yeah, see you guys in the next episode. I haven't done an intro or an outro yet, so just see you guys later.